High Court of Manipur has directed authorities to submit a report within 4 weeks on initiatives taken to increase Manipur Home Guard personnel to 2,000 and disburse the pending revised honorarium, DA and benefits. Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association President Yang Lim announced this during a press meet held today. He informed that this follows a complaint filed by the Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association, led by President Yang Lim, regarding pending salaries, benefits and to increase the Home Guard personnel. He said that Justice Antembi Mol has instructed the Secretary Home of the Central Government, Manipur Chief Secretary and Commissioner Home to submit a report, highlighting the details of the initiatives taken up in this regard.
Manipur Home Guard Singase, Yamna Maribak Tire, Chentungi Awaba Yam Pibam, the Yamayoknare, Haidana Koina, Wakat Sarubada, Ministry Nasu, Manipur Government, Tangjanba, Manipur Government Nasu, Ministry the Igrena, Obusina Maram Wedana, Kangaon and Labedagi, Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association, Home Guard President Mayang Mahut Silaga, WPC 117 of 2026 as Ministry of Home Affairs ki Secretary Home, Aduga Manipur Government ki Chief Secretary Amazon Commissioner Home, Ahungi Matakta, Honorable High Court na direction nama pibidana Chawaliba amadi mi masingwaliba singasi ministry na atuba matamda bihanbidana ayaba pibidana award pa pisasinje pibiraga Home Guard personnel singna hojik sada tara mari khaktang phangiba DA sigi award pa phuri thoi adugi sumatada Honorable Supreme Court na 2022 da taba rai amadana Home Guard personnel singase revision of pay lakpa kanda periodical phangadabani haidana sul lairaba taraba se asigumase Manipur su thabak oina Salhan view, Home Guard personnel in the Kanabase Pangan view Haidana, Honorable High Court Tabadegi, High Court na Taba Rayamana, Sayon Marigi Manunda, Haidi Bedugi Pakum, Piu Haidana, notice summer issue to be cre, Masidegi Matungina, or not Lepo Prajazingi Awaba, Home Guard Singi Awaba, Siyanga Corner, Asuma direction, Pirakani Habase, Association Gitsi and Tajajaban.